Hi, what's up you guys? It is me, Emric, aka Momo if you're watching this in Asia. And, welcome back to my channel. It's good to see you all again and I hope you're all doing well. So today we are going to be playing with the colour green. Green is one of those colours that I don't reach for very often and I don't use very much, so I thought today we would have a little play around with it. So if you would like to see how I did this look, keep on watching. I had like this idea come over me that I would do some like very pointy, very angular green makeup. In order to achieve this, I acquired the Huda Beauty Emerald Obsessions palette. I haven't really heard much about this collection. I know it came with a red one and like a purple one maybe? But basically I just typed in green makeup and this came up. Oh, good God. So I've gone through and I've kind of sketched out a rough shape using this mint shade and this darker green shade when I couldn't quite see the mint. So obviously because I have very hooded eyes, I like to go through with like the lightest shade and just sketch out what I'm actually going to be able to see. And then I went in with the darker green, which is this one here, and I just kind of put like a tail wing on this side and then a bit of an interim here, just so I can kind of start to map out what I want. And then I'm going to go in with a couple of deeper greens and just kind of, you know, zhuzh it up. Okay, so the shape was annoying me, so I put some tape on my face and I took out my nose ring because I kept sneezing, so far so good. I'm just going in now with the deeper green from the Emerald Obsessions palette, and then I'm mixing it with the deepest green from the Makeup Revolution Alexa Stone palette, and then I'm just kind of building up this little section right here to be as deep and dark as it can be. So I'm focusing the darkest, most intense greens where the tape starts, and then I'm kind of fading out so it gets kind of lighter and lighter as it comes into the center. And part of me is thinking that I want to bring this into a point here. Then I'm going to go in with like the thinnest, flattest brush I have. A good tip, even though it's gross during Corona season, is just like put it in your mouth. And then it'll kind of make it a little bit more pointy for you. Then keep it to the same green tones, I'm just going to go under my eye. And then obviously I'll have to make sure that everything's even once I take off the tapes, but for now it's fine. So once the tapes are off, then you can just go in with a makeup wipe and just smooth everything over, correct any kind of like errors in shaping, clean up the top. Then I'm going to take some concealer and just kind of touch up around the outsides of that, being kind of careful to ensure that I don't mess up the shape that I've spent so long making. And voila! So this is what it looks like. Obviously the concealer hasn't settled yet, so give me a minute to make it cute. I'm gonna go, I'm gonna finish everything up, I'm gonna do the other eye, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so this is the basis of the look. Both the eyes have been matched out, the rest of my face is done. I did get some green glitter, and I'm just gonna kind of put it on. I'm not the biggest fan of this glitter, so I don't want to get it too near my eye, because I honestly don't trust that it's eye safe. Stunning! I'm just gonna match up the glitter on both eyes, and then we'll be done. I've gone around and I've cleaned up a lot of the excess glitter that was just kind of, you know, sitting there doing their thing. So I'm going to add up my lashes and change out of my robe, then it'll be time for final thoughts. Okay guys, so this is the final look. What do you all think? Do you love? Do you adore? Is it everything you've ever wanted? Am I giving you sexy, snake-eyed Slytherin who's about to slither in? So this is pretty much exactly what I had in mind when I envisioned this. I wanted something very sleek, something very green, but also something kind of dangerous and sexy. The top, in case you were wondering, is by Balmain. I don't have many expensive things, so when I do, I like to say it. But seriously though, I got it for 50 quid from a charity shop, but shh, don't tell anyone. So, what do I think of the palette? It's cute, it's okay. I think that there are a couple of really good shades in there. I really liked this mint shade, pistachio mint shade right here. I also quite liked this kind of sparkly shade. The opacity can be a little bit like, for a couple of shades, so I would definitely recommend bringing in other palettes and other things to kind of help you create a look like this. I think the shimmers could do with being a hell of a lot shimmerier. I think if this look didn't have the glitter on it, it would definitely be a lot more lackluster. But that is it from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. You can find links to all of my socials in the description box down below. And until next time, as always, kisses from England. Bye guys!